Welcome back to Island Life Live. Mehana Lāhui, and she's our senior advisor to the CEO of Hawaiian Council. We want to thank her so much for being with us today.
Yeah,
You're looking fabulous.
Thank you.
I'm loving the braids. I'm loving the look.
Yeah, thank you.
Kahi.
Yeah, mahalo tumana ola.
Yeah, you're looking good. And I know that it's important for us to look good because we got a big event coming up, right?
Yeah.
We have our Native Hawaiian Convention coming up. You know, I just wanted to share that I have a tita who has not been a member of the Hawaiian Council or anything like that, has never attended a convention, but when she heard that the convention was coming to Oahu, she got excited. She went and she got her individual membership.
Oh, awesome.
And she is excited. She went and you know, is waiting for the waited for the registration until it opened up, so she's excited.
Awesome.
It's her first time.
And you know, that's what we really wanted to encourage our members. We are a membership organization, right? And not many people know that, right? So we have individual members, we have nonprofit group members, or like hui, like halal and so forth. And then we have business members, small business members, mostly, And so we have over like 2,000 members, you know, in those various categories that represent thousands of others, you know, people. So when we say we come forth as Hawaiian Council, you know, we really mean that it's not just like the 100 of us that work for Hawaiian Council. It's also all these members that come from not only across the Pai'aina, but they come across the continental U.S. Too, because we have our civic clubs that are located there, Kanaka located everywhere. Some of the benefits of membership is that when you go on to register, so like your tita, when she went on to register, she realized that there was a different cost, right? It's cheaper. So we always tell people, this is a great time to sign up to be a member. Is right around the time of convention, because you can go ahead and it'll offset that discounted rate for you. And then throughout the year, we have opportunities like this. We're going to hear from one of our members shortly, and it's opportunities like this. Wherever we have a platform, meaning Hawaiian Council has a platform, our members have a platform, and they can always articulate up to us. And our tita Visa, who's back at the office, you know, she takes care of all of our members, but she can, you know, help navigate any of the kind of opportunities that we have. And one of them is like this, coming on, being able to share share what's going on in your organization.
I love it.
Also, we do workshops throughout the year that may be cultural based. It might be help for small businesses. It also may be the gathering of different hui for under, you know, if they have a specific area that they want to look at and learn from.
So you're not just dropping a member's fee, you're getting the support that a member should get for any kind of organization. This is beautiful.
We're very responsive to our members too, you know. So when they call and they say, hey, can you guys help us do this? You know, we also have our own like philanthropic arm, you know, and our members, that's the first question if you want to apply for a grant from us or anything is, are you a member?
I love it. And speaking of member, let's talk story with Davey D, who's standing by with a friend of the show who also happens to be one of Hawaiian Council's members. Davey D?
Mahalo sis, yes, I'm here with Kalani Pau Kalani Hiapo. He's the executive director of Ho'oluike Center for Hula and Mele. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm sitting on a pillow right now because he's so tall. Kalani, remind, because you've been on the show before, remind our viewers about the vision of Ho'oluike Center for Hula and Mele.
Mahalo. So the Ho'oluike is, what we do is we integrate Ike Kupuna with modern knowledge through hula, mele, and Hawaiian arts.
Nice.
And we love to empower our community in various ways.
Various ways, including the Model-thon. That was so cool.
Which is actually coming up on June 9th.
Oh, okay. But you guys also got the another program that's coming up for the summer. Talk about that for a little bit.
So we have our A'eko Hula series program, and that's happening at Hanaya Kamalama. So we're in partnership with them as well as Kawai o Kana'oau and our organization, all moving these pieces together for ages 12 to 17. So leadership through Queen Emma's eyes and over there. So it's been lovely.
That is so cool. I love the fact that you're involving our ali'i in that too. I love Queen Emma, by the way. And then you also have the second annual Hula Festival that's coming up, right?
Yes, October 24th. Our second A'aika Hula competition for secondary schools to compete with each other. And last year was a great start off, and I'm hearing we have a lot more schools now that want to be involved. And, you know, having Hawaiian Council being a part of this as well, it has been a great opportunity for us to expand to a broader community.
Very
so
cool.
mahalo. And everything she said was true. They're very responsive. They're very maikai. So it's a great. And Visa was awesome. She didn't pressure me to be a part of anything. And she's a very close friend of mine. And she just let me, she educated me. And so when the time was right for us, we started to become members.
That is
so it just broadened our since we're a very new organization.
Broadens your network, yeah?
Yes.
Teaming
yes.
up and locking arms with some pretty powerful people.
Yes.
And we love
yes.
them too.
Yes.
All right, we're gonna send things back to Lina Girl and Mehana. Sis?
I really love what Kalani Hiapo does. And I encourage everybody out there to really go and take advantage of. Me and Hina both taught in programs that he's offered, out on the west side. So I want to become, I'm a big fan of all the things that him and his organization does.
Yes.
And I just encourage everybody, if you can, send your babies. If they offer other programs, go to it. I'm super excited about what it is that they do.
Well, I'm super excited about the fact that Hawaiian Council supports organizations just like Kalani's. I love it.
I'm signing up for Malothon, by the way.
Oh, no.
Get ready.
Oh, no. Scratch out my eyes.
His malo gonna start from up here.
Thank you.
I'm surprised you never say from up here. Brother, can you just wrap your face in the Malo?
All right. My family will be back with more right here on Island Life Live. Mahalo. This is...